How to turn on or off block numbers from foreign countries on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First go to Truecaller and here just go back and click on your profile here, and after that click the settings icon, and now all you need to do just scroll down and here we'll find block, and if you can't find it here just click calling and then scroll down and here we'll find block, and now just scroll down and here we'll find block numbers from foreign countries. Just turn it on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.